Welcome to Classic Bike Drive, where we talk about practical motorcycles with classic appeal. Today's spotlight is on the 2026 Tata Classic 125, a commuter that blends old-school styling with modern usability. The 2026 Tata Classic 125 follows a clean, retro-inspired design. A round headlamp, simple body panels, and classic fuel tank shape give it a timeless look. Subtle modern graphics and neat finishing help it feel fresh while staying true to its classic identity. At the heart of the Classic 125 is a 125 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine tuned for smooth power delivery and fuel efficiency. The engine focuses on low-end torque, making city traffic easy to handle, while the gearbox offers relaxed and predictable shifting for everyday use. Designed for daily commuters, the bike offers an upright riding posture, wide seat, and easy-to-reach handlebars. The suspension setup is tuned to handle rough city roads comfortably, ensuring a stable and smooth ride even on uneven surfaces. The 2026 model is expected to include essentials like a simple instrument cluster, tubeless tires, reliable braking with ABS, and low-maintenance components. The focus remains on durability, affordability, and ease of ownership. Riders who like classic-looking motorcycles. Daily commuters seeking good mileage and comfort. Buyers wanting a simple, no-nonsense 125 cubic centimeters bike. The 2026 Tata Classic 125 is all about simplicity, comfort, and trust. It's not built to impress with speed, but to serve riders reliably every single day. Stay connected with Classic Bike Drive for more honest bike stories and updates, because every ride deserves to be classic.